Welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Visual Design section. This is push elements left or right with the float property. The next positioning tool does not actually use position, but sets the float property of an element. Floating elements are removed from the normal flow of a document and pushed to either the left or right of their containing parent element. It's commonly used with the width property to specify how much horizontal space the floated element requires. The given markup would work well as a two-column layout, with the section and the side elements next to each other. Give the left item a float of left and the right item a float of right. So let's see that in action. Here, float right, float left. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let us see. We did pass. What did we learn here? We can use the float property to remove an element from the normal flow of a document and push it either left or right of their containing parent element, which in this case would be the body. So as long as we're understanding that we can use the float property to remove an element from the normal flow and either push it left or right. And it also says about commonly being used with the width property. Look up more about what that could mean. And I'll see you in the next lesson.